We're standing at the memorial to the 1915 Armenian genocide. Today, Azerbaijan is carrying out a new genocide against the Armenians of Artsakh. Take action to end the Lachin blockade and stop the Artsakh genocide.
I'm from Spain and I demand the unblocking of the Lachin corridor. The Armenians there in Artsakh are suffering and they need help right now.
I'm from the United States. Open the road of life.
Здравствуйте, я из России. Прошу прекратить блокаду Арцаха. Страдают дети, мы не можем это видеть.
Hi, I'm from the United States and end the Artsakh genocide, please.
Hello, we're from the U.S.
Please open the road to Artsakh.
Hey, we are Craig and Joyce from the United States. We're here in Armenia 4 years, and we're at this event to stand for the people of Artsakh. There's strife all over the world. People are suffering all over the world, but this is one unique place where the entire existence of a Christian population is in jeopardy. 6 months from now, they may not exist. So we're here to stand for them, and when you're asking you to stand for them too.
Hi, I'm Dana, and I'm a United States citizen, and I'm also a Jewish American. I live here in Yerevan. I've lived here in Armenia for 3 years, and I stand with Artsakh because it reminds me so much of my people's suffering in ghettos during World War II. And I think it's time for the world's attention to come to Artsakh and save it from this terrible tragedy of starvation and being cut off from services. So please, give your attention and support.
I'm from the United States, and I'm calling on the Biden-Harris administration to immediately open the Lachin corridor and get humanitarian aid into the people who are essentially facing the new face of genocide. You know, just as the face of racism has changed over time, the face of bigotry changes over time, the face of genocide has changed, and the people of Artsakh are suffering genocide.
I'm a third-generation Armenian from Connecticut in the United States. I need the United States government to help end the blockade in Artsakh. There's 120,000 people starving there, and it's up to our government to help them.
I'm from the US and the blockade.
Hi, I'm Greg Akopian from Seattle, Washington. I'm calling on the Biden-Harris administration to end the blockade, open the road of life.
Bonjour, je suis français et aujourd'hui je demande au gouvernement français de venir en aide au Karabakh.
I'm from the US and the blockade needs to end. We cannot wait and see another genocide in Artsakh.
Bonjour, je suis française et je demande au gouvernement français de soutenir le Haut-Karabakh.
I'm Arpi, I'm from America. We need to end the blockade today and prevent a genocide in 2023.
Hi, I'm from the United States and I'm calling on the international community to take decisive action and to end the blockade.
I'm from the U.S. Please stop another genocide from happening in 2023.
I'm from the US and we demand the end to this inhumane blockade of Artsakh.
I'm from the U.S. Please open the Lachin corridor.
I'm from the U.S. and we demand an end to Azerbaijan's genocide on the Armenians of Artsakh.
I'm from the United States and I refuse to have history repeat itself. Open the road.
I'm from the UK and I stand with Artsakh.
I'm from the U.S. and indigenous Armenians have the right to exist. Open the road.
I'm from Mississippi. Open the road of life.
I'm from the United States and I stand with Artsakh.
I'm from the United States and unblock the road to Artsakh.
Je suis suisse et je demande d'ouvrir la route de vie.
I'm from the United States and the blockade to Artsakh.
I'm from the United States of America and I'm asking to unblock the road to life. Open the road to Artsakh.
I'm George from Los Angeles, urging the U.S. government to help unblock the Lachin corridor.
Hi, I'm from the United States. Let's prevent a second genocide from occurring.
Hi, my name is Michael and I'm from Turkmenistan and I stand with Artsakh.